Our names are Jose and Mary Alvarez, and we lived in beautiful New Mexico for 8 years and are now coming back to our second home. We are traveling Christian missionaries who have prayed for thousands of people in 4 continents of the world in the past 37 years. We have seen many being healed from physical illnesses and emotional distresses. We have experienced thousands receive words of encouragement and direction from God, and many being filled with the love of God through the power of the Holy Spirit. Now we're coming to Albuquerque for 7 nights of meetings at the Holiday Inn and Suites Hotel at the Albuquerque Airport from April the 4th through April the 10th. Bring yourself, bring your family member, bring your neighbor who is in need of a physical healing or an emotional healing or just a word of encouragement from God. This is a free event, and we will be taking up a love offering every night. And though childcare is not provided, children are welcome. We hope that you can join us April the 4th, from April the 4th to April the 10th at the Holiday Inn and Suites Hotel, Albuquerque Airport for the God Explosion Albuquerque 2016. Thank you, and God bless you.